Okay, we'll just do a walk around. This is a 2007 Sport Trac Limited. It does have the 4.6 liter V8 in it here. And yes, the exhaust manifolds have been repaired. And yes, the coil packs and the spark plugs have been changed, replaced. And it does have a new radiator in it as well. Just do a walk around so you can see it. It's got just about 49,000 kilometers on it, so it's definitely not new, and yes, there's a few nicks here and a scratch on that door, but you get a pretty good idea what it's like. Tires are a couple of years old on these Yokohamas. It does have the bed extender. It does have a locking top there that does have the rack for your bikes, and that is 6 feet long from the inside of the bed extender to the front of the box. There is some damage there. Just needs to be cleaned up after the winter, but other than that, it's pretty much ready to go. Has the roof racks, and yes, it does have a sunroof. So yes, leather, full load. It does not have navigation, but it does have Bluetooth. If you're interested, let me know.